In my first month, I've made around $25,000.
It's really a system that anybody can do, anybody can learn this thing.
The realness of the guy is just awesome. This is freaking awesome, guys.
I totally recommend it. He's real, he's authentic. I'm grateful to Dave for what he's done for my life already, and I know it's going to be even bigger.
In the first month, they paid out over $500,000.
I want you to stop whatever you're doing and pay close attention to this, because what I have to share with you today can have a direct impact on you and your bank account in the next 30 days. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact method that I use to make millions of dollars every single month, risk-free, guaranteed. You see that timer at the bottom of the screen? This video is just 10 minutes long. This is incredibly important for you because every single second that you watch, you're one step closer to making money like this.
In my first month, I've made around $25,000.
And the last 10 days, I've gotten 19 sales. I've generated over 833 leads.
And I've broken multiple financial records in my life. Actually, my first couple weeks in the company, I actually had my largest weekly paycheck ever in history, almost $16,000.
I couldn't believe it. I woke up this morning and I had over $4,500, I want to say maybe $68 and some odd cents, I don't know, we'll say 51. In my PayPal, you can see it right here. I'm not full of it.
We have done over $110,000 in sales.
Pretty awesome, right? And you can be next. So let me ask you a question. Would you invest 10 minutes to potentially change your life forever? If so, then stick with me because you can make more money by watching this video than any other video ever created. And how do I know that? Because over the last year, I've been teaching my secret method to a very small group of people, and people just like you, with no experience, and they're making thousands of dollars a day. So I know that I can teach you this simple step-by-step system too. But there is a catch. If you click away from this page or fail to follow my specific directions, you'll forfeit your spot and we'll give it to the next person in line. So don't leave. Watch this video until the very end and follow my super simple step-by-step instructions, and you can start making money online just like I do. Now, before I explain how you're about to make a ton of money, let me introduce myself. My name is Dave. It wasn't that long ago that I lived in this little rundown house. I worked a construction job, I paid my taxes, and I took care of my family. But I just never could get ahead until one day I got tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I got tired of stressing out each month over money, and I decided to take things into my own hands. That's when I fired up this raggedy old laptop that I had, and despite my lack of tech skills or experience, I discovered this simple little internet business I've been quietly running in the background that deposits hundreds, even thousands of dollars into my bank account each and every day at this point, whether I work or not. So here's my question to you. What if you could cut out the learning curve to starting your own business, avoid the 4 to 8 years of college and all the debt that comes along with it, and never have to count on the government or your boss to give you a raise again, and instead ethically duplicate an exact version of an already proven automated online business that's generating thousands of dollars per day from home using nothing but a laptop and a cell phone? Well, don't decide now, because in this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly what I do each day to have hundreds, even thousands of dollars deposited directly into my bank account, so I could move out of this little shack and into my dream home.